In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit About device available here. Now select device name on the left and type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. When you finished, hit save. And as you can see, after a few seconds, name of my OPPO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!